Hello guys, today we're playing MM2 MMB with my friend again, Nathan.
Yo, bro, you finally learn how to bomb jump?
Yeah,
Like this.
yeah. I still quite do not know. I still don't quite know it.
I like this.
See, I still cannot do it. I am
You did
very
it! You did it!
green. They were innocent, and my friend is innocent. We're in a video call.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? We're here in a video call. Deep. Instantly? How? Kaya magpapak ng chicken.
No!
Ano ba yan?
Pwede ako magpapak ng chicken ko? Chicken ko?
Chicken ko yan eh. Oh God, we really want to papak chicken. Eat it with no rice. So yummy. And chicken sour ulam too. And I'm the first one to papak a video. Today we're teacher. Innocent.
God! Oh, there's 12 players. Yeah, it's full because of we are here.
Yeah.
So, everyone targets me! Oh my God, stop targeting. No, it's just...
Pinapunta ko sila to. Targeting right now.
Targeting ka!
Targeter. Where is the targeter? Who's targeting natin? Don't know why. What is this thing? Come on, Sharon. Come on. Oh! Why did you kill? Oh, why did you kill?
What should I do to them? Yo, guys. Ethan is eating.
Oy. The chicken. Grabe one bite yan. No, just a baya. Baya.
Sige, katigo. Mania, katige. Mania. No, no, you are not getting allowed. You are not. Oh, buddy. You have to go.
My first kid. Where? Oh, found it. Today we're teaming.
What is my hitbox?
Yeah, this is the one thing. Right here.
This. Oh my God! Forgot about you.
That's here.
What bro have inbox? What is this hitbox?
No, this is what you idiot have.
Oh, there's someone.
Yeah. Do you wanna fight? Take the elephant.
How did I miss them both?
What?
Bro,
Bro, got hit by a bacon.
no, that's not a blue.
This one here, this is a girl. Here!
There's a girl here. Check it out. Oh, it doesn't think so. Also, there's a boy over here.
Unahin ko yung babae. Yes.
Where?
Want to fight? Okay, go wait. Wait lang.
So there's still a mini.
Got him? Okay, you're gonna fight now. So, this still one gear.
Huh?
Wow. We go just wait.
Get out. Get out.
Bro, me second. Oh, just fight. Just fight now. Go to me.
Hold on, wait.
Okay, fine.
Sit back there or sit back and relax. Eh, may helicopter. Ethan! Kanina ka pa nag-aaral.
I'm telling you, I'm here telling you this. Someone.
Ito na. Okay. Tandakan mo na ako. Ang dami yung maano sa akin. Kumakagat kasi.
Nag-work kita, kanina pa. Magtiis ka dyan, tiis kita. Ano mo kumilos, ha? Ito.
Oh, I know now. Ma, look. It's your hair.
Dito ka na nga.
Ethan, let's go. Your bird.
Hoy, dito ka na.
I'm with the users. Okay. I'm about to eat again. We want to eat. GG. Oh, GG. GG, bro. Takbo, 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 takbo. Sige. Ano, follow you. Ha? Ayun, no. Saan ba tayo? Ay, lang ba tayo? Bro, dodging him. Where's the merge? Yeah, I know where's the merge. Wanna give up as the merge. GG. Never mind. I'm eating. So yummy.
Oh, it's gonna count. Yeah. It's gonna What? What's the colors? What is color? Monkey is calling me like crazy. Trying to kill me, bro.
Dude, that's literally a one shot. You know? Dude, tita, yung babae na may ano, hindi niya alam kung saan siya nag-iiwan. Huh. Where are you aiming at? Finally, you aim my shot. It's like 3,000.
O, kumakain ka ng daga.
One more. One more. Dude, look at this lava.
Ay, Nathan, ikaw di ang kain.
Wala na akong ticket.
Ay, kay Papa pasatik mo.
Steamers! Ethan, there's steamers! It's okay, I'm Mr. Hardin. Di ako aso. Beat these steamers. Beating a steamer.
Ako kumain. Di ba na, ay, di ba tumatahol ka?
Kasi
Ethan! Ethan! Tumatahol ka, di ba?
oh.
Baby brother mo si... Ay, baby...
Pwede sa
Baby
yung
brother
down.
mo si Stay eh.
I-take down mo yung mga... How bro? How did bro find me? Mga steamers kasi. Ay, hindi! Hindi teamers! Hindi. Namatay. Hindi ko pa nga nakita yun. Neta teamers, okay. No, they're not teamers. Araw. Okay. Oh, Shea. Share it to me. Ano sigara? Pwede natin. Pwede natin sigara. Hindi ah. Hindi ko siya friend. Tignan mo. Friend. Ba't friend mo? Crush mo yan, no? Hindi. Kaya nag-add sa akin.
Ethan, dali na kumain na. Oo.
Ito. Hindi ko siya. Hindi niya ako in-unfriend ko siya. Joke lang, hindi. Hindi ko alam. Baka na-unfriend ako. Baka from policies. Brother, I was bad. I was pressed to fight. I'm thinking I is every year. And I'll keep by your side. But something like me, I'm doing wrong, that's wrong. I know how to get along with someone named Mama na pangit.
Nalalaw niya. Nakpabaon mo kay boss ang pancake. Tapos crispy.
Ito nito, Mark.
Bakit? Bakit?
Only touch the first person I see. Two spot. The cat left, so it means he's the man. I'm not sure. Mahalmot ka, Ming Ming!
Oy, okay.
Diba yung cat? Mahalmot ka, Ming Ming! Mara! Magkarabi si Ama.
Nathan, ikaw hindi ka kakain. Sino mo yung kapatid mo? Nakakain ng kain na.
Kinain niya chicken ko eh.
Kakain ka ba?
Hindi, kinain niya na chicken ko eh.
Sige, magkalat ka dyan, Nathan. Magkalat ka.
Try mo paka. Joke lang, hindi tanpil kinuha chicken ko. Pero hindi pa naman nasunod. Pa! Where did you lagay my chicken? Where, ha?
Where?
Ito pa.
September as we get take it, chance to make it.
How my friend is merged?
Let the love let the light come shining in. You know where the road will lead back. Look at what you have. Moment.
Nakulong na ako.
Wow. Tingnan dito.
Ano to?
Tagalong na kuya.
Sabi na ano pagkain? Cat food. Ibay ko.
Ang salo mo.
Ibay ko na. Yung cat food.
Ito na kay kuya. Ang tingnan dito eh.
You got tembo. You got tembo. You got. You got tembo. You got tembo. You got tembo.
Doon ka na kumain. Tingnan natin ako. Ha? Kaya. Tingnan na yan.
Merg ka, Ethan! Ethan, merg ka! Yes! Finally! I'm done eating. And I'm the merg. I know you've been merged for like the last 80th time. Dude! Dude! Inside the people. Oh, okay. This is me! One going over here. Number 2, he probably went over there, yep. Can I get the gun? Yeah. Wait, he's coming for me. Alright, now I can kill Ethan. Alright, let's go now. Wait, there's 2 more. Fight! Nangyari daw. Hindi. Hindi ito kuya. Ano ko gumamit ito ng kalo ma? Wala, meron pa eh. Pag meron pa eh. Ito pa rin. Uy, bonus. Oh my god! Patay. Oh my god. Oh, patay! Patay ko nga. Small! Small! Ang kailangan ko yeah, there. Oh! Ano ko? Wall typing letter.
Ay, mamaya, tignan mo yan.
Late 25 pa lang naman eh. Last break mo lang to.
Baka makita nga ako dyan lang. Hindi ako pwede na gawin yun.
Gusto yung ulam, hindi yung pagkain.
Oh, sino?
Amen.
Sky? Oh, Sky. Where it is? Wala naman ako pero naman ako. Ay, tika ha.
Hindi kita pinatay. Nag-1v1 tayo. Guys, he's a targeter now. Because I just scared him, he's a targeter now. I hope to die by the terror.
Like this?
Oh! Tapos patay. Just game, guys.
Go here.
Oh, no, wait lang! Ito, guys. Gusto na ako.
Gagalaw, ako palaw, pag-ibig. Maratapin! Damaktin!
That's game, guys. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. And hit that like button.
Balik na sa panood.
Oh, sir, actually, yes. This is the last one. That's one more. I did not get sharing. Yeah. Our and our and yeah. Just joking. I just hear someone please. I think is my friend. Oh, it's my friend Gaia. It's my friend Gaia, guys. Yo, shout out Gaia. Shout out Gaia. Okay. Oh, that's murder. Hurry up and please. I am at 7%. Yo, Nathan, why do you have a common knife? Daddy for done. Peter that basic. Mm. What will they're doing is brown. Oh, he's brown. Doesn't know. GG's. Mr. Moore. Hamper. No. Run, girl. Teleport, what bro? What this girl do? Oh yeah, in the mouth. Not dangerous. There's the air spot. Air spots right here.
Nathan, hindi ka nalagkit yung tingin ko sa visit ka.
Mama? Ako? Yo, unshare it. Unshare it, unshare it. Do you trust anybody? Go outside. Yeah, yeah. That's so good.
O, isa. Bukas bibila na lang mo isa.
Ako na ang bibilan. Nobody's going for you. In the more there's somebody thinks that you're the thinking. How about doing that? Can I try? Let's try. How?
Lagay na to doon yung Nathan sa
Full charge?
Hindi full charge, 75.
Ano ba yan?
Oh, sino may kasalanan na hindi na charge?
How? Pag nobody's saying Ma, mamaya na. Hindi ko naman ito nakakalimutan.
Wala na akong lalagyan dito. Lagyan na dun. Tabi, tabi.
Bro, my cherry! Who's the merg, huh? Who's the merg? Who's the merg?
Your phone.
No. Bye guys, ending it. Like and subscribe for more like this. Bye.